Good morning, children. Today we are going to do Unit 8, the tiger and the mouse extra exercise. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. What was the tiger doing? What was the tiger doing? A. Sitting under a tree. B. Climbing a tree. C. Dozing under a tree. D. Dozing in a cave. So dozing means what? वो सो रहा था. So what is the correct answer? What was the tiger doing? The tiger was dozing under a tree. 2 number. A mosquito came. A. Buzzing. B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G buzzing. B. Chirping. C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G chirping. C. Roaring. R-O-A-R-I-N-G roaring. D. Humming. So what is the correct answer? A mosquito came buzzing. 3. What did the mosquito say? A. I will go away. B. I am sorry. C. I am afraid of you. D. I am not afraid of you. So what is the correct answer? What did the mosquito say? The mosquito said, I am not afraid of you. Once again we will say, choose the correct answer. What was the tiger doing? The tiger was dozing under the tree. 2 number. A mosquito came. Buzzing. A number. The correct answer is buzzing. A mosquito came. A buzzing. 3 number. What did the mosquito say? The mosquito said, I am not afraid of you. 4 number. The angry tiger The angry tiger. Tiger बहुत ही गुस्से में था. So hit out with his tail, hit out with his paw, roared या jumped. So what is the correct answer? The angry tiger hit out with his paw. 5th number. The tiger's paw stuck A. the mosquito's cheek. B. the mosquito's head. C. his own cheek. D. his own head. So what is the correct answer? The tiger's paw stuck his own cheek. C number. 6th number. Why did the tiger's cheek bleed? Why did the tiger's cheek bleed? A. his paw scraped his cheek. The mosquito bit him. C. he fell down. D. the mosquito hit him. What is the correct answer? Why did the tiger's cheek bleed? Tiger का जो cheek है वो क्यों bleed हुआ? उस पे चोट कैसे लगी? So his paw scraped his cheek. टाइगर का जो पॉ है ना, पंजा, वो अपने आप ही उसने चीक पे लगाया तो उससे ब्लीड होना शुरू हुआ. 7 number. How many times did the tiger try to hit the mosquito? How many times did the tiger try to hit the mosquito? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. A. 1. Then B. 2. C. 3. and D. 4. So who will tell me the answer of this? How many times did the tiger try to hit the mosquito? How many times it was? So it was 2 times. How many times it was? It was 2 times. B. Now again we will read. The angry tiger hit out with his paw. B number. The tiger's paw stuck. C. his own cheek. 6 number. Why did the tiger's cheek bleed? Because his paw scraped his cheek. A number. 7 number, how many times did the tiger try to hit the mosquito? So B, 2 times. 8 number, what did the tiger do at last? What did the tiger do at last? He hit the mosquito, he roared, he walked away quietly, he ran fast. What did the tiger do at last? A, he hit the mosquito. B, he roared. C, he walked away quietly. D, he ran fast. So what is the correct answer? In the last, the tiger walked away quietly. C number. Why did the tiger walk away? Why did the tiger walk away? A, he was helpless. B, he was tired. He was angry. C number. And D, he was strong. So what is the correct answer? In the last, the tiger walked away because he was helpless. A number. 10 number, the mosquito told the tiger not to be sorry. The mosquito told the tiger not to be sorry. So A, sorry. B, helpless. C, angry. D, proud. The mosquito told the tiger not to be what? The mosquito told the tiger not to be what? Sorry. A, B, helpless. C, angry. Or D, proud. So the correct answer is D, proud. Once again we will do, children. What did the tiger do at last? He walked away quietly. 8 number. 9 number, why did the tiger walk away? A, he was helpless. 10 number, the mosquito told the tiger not to be proud. D number. So dear children, I hope you have understood the exercise of choose the correct answer. You have to write this exercise in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.